Maybe you've been hearing about generative AI and how it's changing the ways we live and do business. But what exactly is generative AI? Traditionally, AI systems were all about recognizing patterns in data. But generative AI takes things to a whole new level. It uses complex models to generate fresh content, whether it's images, text, or even audio, all based on natural language queries. Generative AI involves using algorithms and models to create something new rather than simply analyzing or processing existing information. Generative AI has already been applied in many fields, and it's just getting started. In healthcare, AI-driven imaging applications are generating massive datasets. In the world of academia, supercomputers like Sol over at Arizona State University are powering some pretty exciting research thanks to their massive computational resources. Generative AI can aid researchers, accelerating the pace of scientific discoveries in many disciplines. The future of generative AI holds great promise and potential, but there are challenges and ethical concerns to ensure it's used responsibly. It will be exciting to see how generative AI changes our lives in the years to come.